As you know, Android Studio is the official integrated development environment IDE for Android app development. It's actually based on IntelliJ IDEA. On top of IntelliJ's powerful code editor and developer tools, Android Studio offers even more features that enhance your productivity when you are building Android application, such as flexible build system using Gradle, unified environment where you can develop for all Android devices, and lot more. In this course, I will use Android Studio to create project and Gradle scripting. End of this session, we will know how to create a project and add that project to GitHub successfully. Please note that my intention is not to explain Android development, but Android build system and continuous integration. At this point, I am considering you have following tools ready: Android Studio version 2.2.3 or up, Android SDK version 25, GitHub account, command line, or source tree GitHub client, or any other GitHub client. Please make sure you have a GitHub account, or just create a new one. www.github.com. It's free. Okay, it's time to create a new repository.